What if I told you a website is promising a $700 Target gift card for doing almost nothing? Would you trust it? Or would you look closer? TowerGifted.com is one of those platforms getting attention right now, mainly because of its too good to be true offer, and naturally, that raises questions. At first glance, the process seems simple. Complete a few steps. Maybe answer some surveys, download apps, or sign up for offers, and you're supposedly on your way to claiming a big reward. But once you start understanding how these systems typically operate, things become less straightforward. Many of these reward-based sites rely on a task model where users are continuously redirected through multiple offers, often requiring personal details, email signups, or even payment information for trial subscriptions. The structure itself isn't always transparent, and the deeper you go, the more steps appear, making it harder to clearly reach the final reward stage. Another thing to consider is the lack of any verified connection to major brands, which is important when a site is making claims involving high-value gift cards. You'll also notice common psychological triggers being used: countdowns, recent activity pop-ups, and testimonials that create urgency and push users to keep going. While some people may complete several tasks expecting a payout, reports across similar platforms suggest that reaching the actual reward is either extremely difficult or unclear. In the end, experiences like this highlight how important it is to stay cautious online, especially when an offer seems unusually generous, because in many cases, the real value is being generated behind the scenes from user actions rather than delivered as promised.